What's up, everybody? Back from a long weekend. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Enjoyed it. Was great weather except for Saturday afternoon. Friday was great afternoon. Saturday was pretty good. Sunday and Monday, awesome weather. Hopefully, you guys got to get outside. And now we know that on June 12th will be our last day of school. So you really just kind of power out, push through, and make the last few weeks happen here. Many of you are doing excellent on your stuff. So we want to make sure that we keep doing good work for the next 2.5 weeks here, 3 weeks. So today is just learning information. There's nothing that needs to be sent in today on May 26th. It is, you must read through this document that talks about the election of Abraham Lincoln in 1860. I want you to review and see which states were the Union states when the South seceded. The South seceded, and that's what's called breaking away. The South decides, South Carolina decides that they don't want it to deal with the North anymore, and so they break away. All right? So the blue states become the Union, or the North, still under Abraham Lincoln, and the red states become the Confederacy, or the South, under the President Jefferson Davis. So that's going to give you some information there. Lastly, today you're going to watch these two videos. One of the videos talks about all the causes of the Civil War. The other is about advantages and disadvantages. What were some things that were good for the North, or advantages they had, and what were some things that were good for the South and made them strong? And what were the disadvantages of both? And some of the things that the leaders thought they could do to win the war. So again, today you're going to read slides 2 and 3. You're going to watch both videos on slide 4. On the 27th, and you're going to have the 27th and the 28th to do a graded assignment. You're going to have the 27th and the 28th to do a graded assignment. I will share with you what that graded assignment looks like in one moment. These 4 slides, though, are the ones that you're going to be working on Tuesday. So you're going to need to know the information on slides 2, 3, and the 2 videos on slide 4. All right, they'll be live for you, so you can show that you can use them on the assignment that's going to be Tuesday and Wednesday. All right, I'm going to pause there for a second. Decided to come back with a red, white, and blue hat in the moment here, celebrate Memorial Day. All right, the last thing that you're going to do is I am going to send you an assignment that you are going to use on Tuesday, May 27th, and you must have it in by May 28th, Thursday. On Wednesday, you're going to receive this assignment that looks like this. It's going to be a cartoon. There'll be questions that go along with the cartoon. You should answer those questions as best you possibly can. All right, this is a cartoon. It's cartoon analysis. What is this telling you? What is the cartoonist trying to say to you? The second thing is you are going to have to answer questions on the advantages and disadvantages of the North and South during the Civil War. You're going to have Wednesday and Thursday to complete these 2 assignments. All right. It is going to be due on Thursday. All right. It is going to be graded. That means you're only going to have 1 graded assignment this week. 1 graded assignment. So please do the best you can on that assignment. This assignment won't show up until Wednesday. All right. This assignment will not show up till Wednesday. All right. Very good. Question of the week. I'm going to give you a question of the week today. My niece wanted me to ask this question. What TikTok, I guess, artist? I don't know. I don't really follow TikTok, but what TikTok artist has the most followers in her account? Oh, I must have tricked you. In her account. All right, guys, have a great week. Do the best you can on this assignment that will be coming on Wednesday.